What is up, guys? Here's for the third vlog of this Idaho trip, and I am actually in Wyoming right now. I decided to show these awesome mountains to you guys because it is really pretty out here. We drove like through canyons, seen a lot of plateaus. It's really cool, out here. I love this state. But yeah, I just wanted to highlight this and intro you into Lagoon, which we are like probably 2 hours away from Salt Lake City right now, Farmington, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. But yeah. I also just want to mention, as we're here, there's an abandoned bike right next to the interstate, which I think is kind of funny. So, yeah. Alright guys, so we are now at Lagoon in Salt Lake City, or Farmington, Utah, whatever you want to call it. I just got into the front gate. I am now going to speed walk towards Cannibal, because why not? Best right here, low capacity, you gotta hit that first, you know? So it is currently 30 minutes before opening, so they're just letting us in early, but there is absolutely no one here. There was like probably like 30 people at the front gate, and that's it. Schools did get out for Utah, or at least Salt Lake City, so that's perfect. So no field trips are gonna be here, so yeah. Oh, there's the ropes, so I guess we're gonna have to wait here, so catch you guys at Cannibal. Hey, we made it! Let's go! The station's already filling up fast. Jeez. Ah!
Hey!
What? Oh! What is this?
Oh my gosh!
Oh! Yo! What is this?
Yabba dabba doo!
Oh my gosh! Oh my freaking gosh! Yeah, slow down as much as possible. That's a good view. Oh wait! Lagoon roll! Let's go! Hands up!
This is totally wicked! Right track! Right track!
There's water! Okay guys, so we just got off of Cannibal. Yeah, okay, so that was... Oh, we can't go over here. So that was a really fun roller coaster. So, 116-degree drop, steepest coaster, second steepest coaster in America. Really fun inversions. The Lagoon roll was awesome. Really no air time, but you don't really need that because it was more hang time than anything. So you still like come out of your seat in a sense. So yeah. We're probably gonna do Jetstar 2 and then head over to the other side of the park because I think all the other coasters are on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and get in line. Okay, so we just got off of Jetstar 2. That's okay. It wasn't really that good. I can see how like that'd be really fun if you're like a kid, but other than that,
it's called 2.
It's not good. So we're gonna go ahead to the other side of the park now because I think those are the only two coasters on this side. I didn't really look at the map that well because the map here is not really that good. So yeah. So we're going to probably do Wicked. No, we are going to do Wicked because it's a low capacity ride, so we're going to go ahead and get that out of the way. Whew. Okay guys, so we actually just got off of roller coaster in Wild Mouse. So roller coaster, for being one of the oldest roller coasters in the world, was actually really smooth. I really enjoyed that ride. Good positive air time, not really a lot of positives, so that's why it wasn't as rough. Did we get on Wild Mouse? You know, it's a typical Wild Mouse. The brake runs are terrible, but we got stuck on it for like 10 minutes for who knows what reason. But yeah, we're gonna go to Wicked now. Hopefully the line isn't long. Yeah, okay, so I just got off of Wicked, Colossus, and Spider, that's what it's called. So, Wicked was pretty fun. The vertical launch was kind of overhyped, didn't really feel it that much. Oh, wow, mouse is closed, that's fun. Yeah, that was pretty fun. Then we did Colossus, it's a, typical Schwarzkopf looping coaster. And then Spider, that was the best spinning coaster from at least an hour that I've been on. And that was really fun. The trim brakes were all off, so we went flying through that layout. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head back, get Campbell one more time, and then leave the park. Alright guys, so I was planning on doing a couple of other attractions, however, all the ones I wanted to do broke down. So we just went back and did one more ride on Cannibal. It's better in the front row, you get more of the water effects. But yeah, that's all we're really doing at Lagoon today. It's probably the shortest vlog I've ever done. But yeah, this is it. Lagoon in Farmington, Utah, or Salt Lake City, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, it's kind of sad, honestly, but that is all I got for you guys today, and I will see you all later. Bye.